Okay, this is Izzy's first time having these Munchkin fruit chew things. And we got strawberries. We got it in here. We're going to give it to her. Let's see how she likes it. It's got a frozen strawberry in it. You're going to put that part in your mouth, Izzy. Oh, what's that? What is that? Go away, Blue. What is that? Hey, is that good on your teeth? Your future teeth? Yeah. You can smush it all up and eat it? Good girl. Good girl. No, Blue, you may not. Good girl. It's cold on your hands, though. Here. Here, hold it like this. Hold it like this. There. This part goes in your mouth. You can chew on that. Good job. Good job. A strawberry. No, Blue, you can't have any. Up, 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 Blue. Good job. Here. This part goes in your mouth. Blue. Oh, that's good, huh? That's strawberry. Yeah. Your grandmas are gonna watch this. That was a big one. Hey. Ah. That's good. That's a good. Blue, no. No, no, Blue. Can you smile once? Can you smile once for the camera? Huh? Can you? You like that, huh? Blue, no, no. See, Izzy, it's the 12th of January, so Izzy's almost 6 months. She's got a week and 3 days before she's 6 months. Yeah, would you like that? I think you just got a taste of the strawberry. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Ah, it's good. Blue, no, no.